Uh, Hello guys, I am back. How is everyone? Just keep on winning, guys. There are so many comments from our viewers and some from subscribers that they can't win, or neither they had never been able to win any lottery prizes or jackpot. To be honest guys, I feel so bad regarding on this matter. So on this video, I challenge those who failed to win, everyone, and you viewer that is watching, to experience the feeling of winning. This lottery challenge will guarantee that you will win. Okay, but before we proceed guys, don't forget to like and share this video for others can see and learn. Okay, our main goal is to win. It might be as little as $5 or as big as $100. Okay, on this guide, you should have a little capital. Okay, kindly follow the guides carefully. Okay, now from 1 to 0, it is 10 number. It is composed of 10 numbers. Since there are no 10, it automatically 0. So we put okay. Now we will eliminate at least 2 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers will eliminate this 2. For a low budget or low capital, will eliminate at least 3 numbers. Okay, so we will eliminate those 3 numbers. Okay, so we select 8, 9. Okay, 0. Will eliminate those 3 numbers. So now we will get our main combination for betting. Since we eliminate these 2 numbers, and for low budget, it means low capital, for wagering, then you eliminate those 3. So the purpose of this is to lessen the combination. Since 2 numbers, it involves 56 combination to bet, and for 3 numbers eliminated, 35 combination to bet. You see, you will lesser the bets, you will lesser your capital. Okay, now here are the combination for this first. Guys, you can copy this by pausing the video or replaying the video. Okay, here is the 56 combination, and here is the 35 combination you can use for your bets. Just pause the video and copy the combination or replay the video. Okay, so guys, for 8 numbers equals to 56 combination to bet. For 7 numbers, $35 combination. Okay, just eliminating another number you have lesser match combination. Later you will understand what is the difference in winning by lessering those combination. Okay, so how to use those combination in placing our bets. So here we go, guys. So remember, you have 8 numbers on hand. Okay, remember, you have 8 numbers on hand against 10. Okay, so in 2 to 3 dos, it means it will hit, guaranteed. It is fully tested by me. Yes, guys, I tested it. It will hit no matter what. Okay, but before doing any of this, guys, just remember one thing. You can back test everything. This is to make sure that everything will result on winning. Try and see. Okay, now let's proceed to placing our bets. Okay, for 56 combination times, let's say you bet for $1. Okay, guys, that is $56 for 56 combinations. Okay, let's say on the first day you bet, it returns to lose. Okay, now, so what we, in a normal way of betting, so high our loss is high, but remember, this is tested, and this guide will always result on winning. Okay, number, so let's say day 2, 56. It result again in loss. Okay, as you can see, we are using the martingale technique on the way we bet. To recap, this is to recapture our loss with only just one hit. Okay, on day 3, 56 times, let's say it win. Sorry, you recapture your losses against these 2 losses, but the winning is not that large. Okay, the purpose of this is to eliminate those losses days to result on winning. Guys, the importance of this guide is to win. As you can see, there are no sides of losing. Let's say you win, okay, let's say we win $500. Okay, but since we are using the martingale technique to recapture our losses, our winning, your winning depends on the price in your state or your country. This is only an example. So 500, let's say you win on day 3. You're so lucky if you win on day 1. Since this guide is made to always win. Okay, so On day 3, let's say you win 500 minus 400, your losses, you're winning still $100. That is the net winning. Don't forget to like and share our video, guys. Keep on winning.